Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying account access and two-factor recovery methods. This prevents lockout midway. Once signed in, go straight to contacts or people in the web client. Make sure you select the full address book rather than a single label. Export using CSV or vCard format because most tools accept these. Save the file to a secure folder or cloud storage for redundancy. This initial export is your safety copy, so validate file size and a quick preview to confirm contacts were captured. Once you have the export, look for built-in restore or version history features. Many providers keep deleted contacts for 30 to 90 days. Restore from there if available because it preserves groups and metadata. If not, import the CSV or vCard into your email client or device contacts. Map fields like name, email, phone to avoid mismatches. Make sure to run deduplication tools and preview the first 20 imports so you can correct mapping errors before committing the full set, which saves time and prevents duplicates. You finish by syncing the restored contacts across devices and confirming group labels. This ensures phones, tablets, and web clients show the same list. Once synced, spot-check critical entries like phone numbers, primary email, company, and notes so essential contacts are accurate. If you see missing fields or corrupt encoding, retry the import after adjusting CSV column mapping or save as UTF-8. Alternatively, use a recovery tool to parse the vCard. Troubleshooting tip: if duplicates persist, export current set, run automated dedupe.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.